Imagine yourself waking up to another day of hiding your skin while feeling ashamed and self-conscious. This is exactly how a lot of psoriasis patients feel. Psoriasis is a chronic autoimmune condition that affects millions of people worldwide, causing itchy, scaly patches on the skin. If you're one of the many who have tried countless creams or prescription medications without success, then you know the struggle all too well. But today is different. Today, we're diving deep into the world of natural psoriasis treatments and uncovering the hidden gems that could change your life. Today, you discover the power of aloe vera, the magic of Dead Sea salt baths, and the surprising benefits of fish oil supplements. Today is the day that you might even try these natural psoriasis treatments, and slowly but surely, your skin begins to heal. But first, let's take a closer look at the three main factors that contribute to the development of psoriasis and explore their role in this complex condition. First up, we have genetics. Think of your DNA like a set of instructions that dictate how your body is built and functions. When it comes to psoriasis, certain variations in your genes can increase the likelihood of developing the condition. In fact, people with a family history of psoriasis are more likely to develop the condition themselves. So, if your mom, dad, or other close relatives have psoriasis, you may be more susceptible to it too. Next, we have environmental factors. Environmental factors such as stress, infections, injury to the skin, and certain medications can all trigger or exacerbate psoriasis symptoms. Stress is a major culprit as it can activate the immune system and lead to inflammation. Infections like strep throat can also trigger psoriasis symptoms, as can certain medications, including lithium and beta blockers. Even injury to the skin, like a cut or scrape, can cause psoriasis to flare up. Finally, we have immune system dysfunction. Psoriasis is caused by an overactive immune system, which triggers inflammation and an abnormal skin cell turnover rate. The immune system mistakes healthy skin cells for pathogens, causing it to attack the skin and leading to the characteristic scaly patches. In a way, your immune system is actually attacking your own body in this condition, but primarily, it is thought to be influenced by already mentioned genetic and environmental factors. But now, let's continue and try to find out the top 5 natural treatments for you. Number 5. Fish oil supplements. Fish oil supplements are often used as a natural treatment for psoriasis. They contain high levels of omega-3 fatty acids, which are believed to have anti-inflammatory properties. In psoriasis, inflammation plays a key role in the development of symptoms, so reducing inflammation can help alleviate symptoms. Several studies have found that fish oil supplements may help improve psoriasis symptoms. For example, a 2014 study found that omega-3 supplements reduced psoriasis symptoms in participants who took them for 12 weeks. However, it's important to note that results have been mixed, and not all studies have found a significant benefit from fish oil supplements. Number 4. Aloe vera. Aloe vera is another natural treatment that is often used to help manage psoriasis symptoms. It's a succulent plant that has been used for centuries for its medicinal purposes and is rich in vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants that can help soothe and heal the skin. When it comes to psoriasis, aloe vera is believed to help reduce inflammation, which is a key factor in the development of symptoms. It can also help moisturize the skin and prevent itching, which can help prevent further damage to the skin. While there isn't a lot of research on the use of aloe vera for psoriasis specifically, some studies have found it to be beneficial for other skin conditions. For example, a 2018 study published in the Journal of Clinical and Aesthetic Dermatology found that aloe vera gel was effective at reducing symptoms of mild to moderate eczema. To use aloe vera for psoriasis, you can apply the gel directly to affected areas of the skin. You can either use fresh aloe vera gel from a plant or purchase a high-quality aloe vera gel. Number 3. Dead Sea salt baths. Taking Dead Sea salt baths is another popular natural treatment for psoriasis. The Dead Sea is a salt lake located between Jordan and Israel, known for its high salt and mineral content. The salts and minerals found in the Dead Sea have been shown to have anti-inflammatory and healing properties, making them an effective treatment for a variety of skin conditions, including psoriasis. This is because the high mineral content of Dead Sea salt is what makes it beneficial for people with psoriasis. Dead Sea salt contains minerals such as magnesium, calcium, potassium, and sodium, which are known to have anti-inflammatory properties. In particular, the magnesium found in Dead Sea salt has been found to be especially beneficial. Magnesium is a natural muscle relaxant. It can help calm the nerves, which can in turn reduce stress levels. As mentioned earlier, stress is a known trigger for psoriasis flare-ups, so reducing stress levels through magnesium-rich Dead Sea salt baths can be helpful in managing symptoms. Number 2. Tea tree oil. tea tree oil is another natural treatment that has been shown to be effective in managing psoriasis symptoms. Tea tree oil is derived from the leaves of the tea tree, which is native to Australia. It has been used for centuries by the indigenous people of Australia for its healing properties. This is because tea tree oil contains compounds called terpenes, which have been shown to have anti-inflammatory properties. These terpenes can help reduce inflammation in the skin, which can in turn help manage psoriasis symptoms. In addition to its anti-inflammatory properties, tea tree oil also has antimicrobial properties. People with psoriasis are more susceptible to skin infections, as the condition can compromise the skin barrier function. Tea tree oil has been shown to be effective against a variety of bacteria and fungi, which can help prevent infections in people with psoriasis. Finally, tea tree oil can also help soothe the skin and reduce itching. This is believed to be due to the cooling and calming effects of the oil on the skin. Some people with psoriasis find that applying tea tree oil to affected areas can provide relief from symptoms. Before we move on to our most natural way to treat psoriasis, let me know in the comments how you are dealing with it. Also, consider to hit that like button or even subscribe to our channel if you feel these 4 ways could be helpful for you. And number 1, oatmeal baths. Oatmeal baths are a very simple but super effective way to manage psoriasis symptoms, as it contains compounds called avenanthramides, which have been shown to have anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties. When added to bath water, the finely ground oatmeal forms a milky solution that can help soothe and moisturize the skin. The solution creates a protective barrier on the skin, which helps reduce water loss and maintain the skin's natural moisture balance. In addition to its soothing properties, oatmeal also has exfoliating properties, which can help remove dead skin cells and promote cell turnover. This can be especially beneficial for people with psoriasis, as the condition can cause an accumulation of dead skin cells on the skin surface. Another reason why you should consider oatmeal is because it contains beta-glucan, a complex carbohydrate that has been shown to promote skin health. Beta-glucan can penetrate the skin and help stimulate collagen production, which can improve skin texture and reduce the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. This can be especially beneficial for people with psoriasis, as the condition can cause dry, flaky skin. Natural treatments can be a powerful tool in managing psoriasis symptoms, and incorporating options like stress reduction techniques, fish oil supplements, and oatmeal baths into your routine can make a significant difference in your skin's health. However, it's important to remember that psoriasis is a complex condition, and what works for one person may not work for another. If you found this video helpful, be sure to check out our video on the benefits of quinoa. Quinoa is a superfood that is packed with nutrients and can help improve your overall health and well-being. Click the link to watch now and learn more about the amazing benefits of quinoa.